compare with other countries, right? Yeah. Compare with the other countries, but this is very organized. When you check into immigration, the customs and border, wow, that's very. This is and they have Uber here, Uber and Lyft. The Norwegian bus will take us to the ship within 45 minutes. I think they'll be here in a short minutes.